All right, we got some extra savings deals here from October 8th to October 21st. So some of these deals won't be valid that long. And then just some other deals that I did this week that I might have missed in my first video. So watch my first video because that's the main deals, but I got some more deals. Today's Sunday, October 9th, and the savings book came out yesterday, October 8th. And some of these deals I did before, but they got better because of the extra savings book deals. So let's get right into this this haul I did today. Did a couple transactions because they didn't have everything at the same store, but $201.12 with the goods, had an overage moneymaker of $17.49. So let me get right into these deals here. Maybe 12 or 13 more deals. So we'll start with the Tena pads. I did this deal a couple days ago and I did it again, and it got better. Yeah, if you could believe it, it got better. So regularly $5.99 each. So for 6 of them this time are $38.64. And what you want to do is from the extra savings book, I used 3 of these $5 off of 2 coupons. I used 6 of these manufacturer coupons. You can either print it. I got the link to print it below, as well as a detailed breakdown, or you can use from the October 2nd Smart Source, $2. So I used 6 of those $2 off manufacturer coupons. And then checkout 51, I had 3 rebates left. So it's $4 off of every 2 that you buy. Checkout 51. So I did 3 more of those offers. That was another $12. And then obviously there's the Activate Rewards rebate that you get $10 off when you reach a $30 threshold, which I was over because I was at about $36 with these 6. So $38.64 paid, $15 from the 3 of those extra savings, $12 from 6 of those $2 off manufacturer coupons, $12 from 3 checkout 51 rebates, and $10 from the Activate Rewards rebate that's coming. So it's a $10.36 overage. And also these Glades. So the printable coupon expired today, so I wanted to use that. And then also there's a digital coupon. I think digital coupon is still good, but you know, when there's money makers, you know, and you're going shopping, pick them up, do the money makers, because it'll help you pay for your other stuff. So that's just kind of my tip. But 3 of these were $6.42. There's a Publix digital coupon that takes $2.50 off, and then their manufacturer coupons take $2.50 off of each one. There's an ibotta rebate for 50 cents. I already used that, so for these 3 it was $1.08 overage. All right, let's get right into this here. Beyond Beef crumbles. I found these this time. So these are $5.19 each. So for 2 of them, it'll be $10.38. However, they're BOGO this week, as I mentioned, and there is a $2 off manufacturer printable. Now I got the link to print that below, so I used 2 of those. So $5.19, I had $2 off of those. Publix digital coupon also came off for $1 off of 2. I don't know, for some reason mine didn't scan, so they put it in, and then the Publix digital coupon came off. Merrifield gives you around 70 cents. And then since I reached $15 in Beyond Meat products, the Fetch Rewards gave me another $2 back. So this was a $2.51 overage, which I did not add in. So this is actually a $19.49 overage today. So keep going. Once again, another deal that came back in ibotta, limit of 5. So I got 4 because they're BOGO. $7.99 for these each. So for 4 of them are $31.94. As I mentioned, they're BOGO, so you get them for $15.98. Is that right? $14.98. Sorry. Oh, $15.98. Sorry. So $15.98 paid, and then there is I used 4 of these $2 off manufacturer coupons from the Smart Source October 2nd, so that gave me $8. And as I said, ibotta rebate reset for $2.50 back on each bag. That's 4. That's $10 more. So that made that a $2.02 overage for those. And then there also has coupons.com, also has $2. I $1.50 back for the coupons.com. So if you have that, you can maybe use that. All right, chobani flipz yogurt here. These were just a regular price for these guys are $5.89. So for 2 of them, $11.78. However, the bogo, so you get both of them for $5.78. There is no $5.89. Sorry, $5.89, and there is no coupon for this. But Ibotta has $1.50 back on each one, so making those only $2.89 for both of those. So that's a good one. All right, here we go, guys. The deal got better on these wipes. I hope you can do this deal. So these are the regular price, $2.79. So with tax, they come to $3 each, right at $3 each. So I'm allowed to get 8 as there was no limit on the coupon. So I got 8 of them, and it was $24 for 8 of them, just the regular price. And as we know, we have this from the fall savings book. There's a $2 off store coupon, so you used 8 of those, and then voila, $1.50 off any Huggies wipes product manufacturer coupon from the Mom Saver. So these are either behind the counter or sometimes in their carousel spinner. So it was right there was the coupon. So that was a good one. This deal, I was using $1.50 off of 2 of them. Now it's $1.50 off of each one. So I used 8 of those, and of course that took off $12. So $24 spent, $16 for that one, $12 for that one, made these 8 wipes a $4 overage. And that's with tax included on your, these CVS hauls where someone says they only spent $3.50, but they're forgetting about $15 for the tax. I include the tax. I keep it real here on these coupon boasts here, real accurate. So, all right, enough talking. Let's keep going. By Kotex liners. This is also from the fall savings book. There's another one that I saw for $3.35, but I didn't get it, and I should have. This one also is $3.35, but this is just the regular price. The other one is like, I think, a 90 count liners. But anyways, I ended up getting this one, $3.35, and there's a $1 off store coupon from the fall savings book, and then a PUBLIX digital coupon for $1 off. So $3.35 spent, $1 from the digital coupon, $1 from the store coupon, making that only $1.35. All right, keep going. Schick Extreme razor here. This is a regular price, $8.49 with tax, $9.13. And from today, Sunday, October 9th, Smart Source is a $4 off coupon. And then also coupons.com has $4 off. So, or has, you can use that one. So use your best judgment. So that made it $1.13. Cetaphill skin cleansing wipes. This one right here was, these are regular price $7.49, and you're paying just regular price $7.49. So it comes to $16.10 with tax. And then from the September 25th Smart Source, there is a manufacturer coupon for $6 off of 2. And then from our new extra savings book, we got a $2 off coupon. So you use 2 of those, 1 of those, and 2 of those. So that's 6, and that's $10 off. And then there is an Ibotta rebate. Some may have $2.50. I had $1.50. Ibotta rebate came off of both ones, so that was another $3 to the good. And then also, coupons.com had $3 off any Cetaphill item, so I threw that one on there. Made these guys only 10 cents for both of them. So $16.10, and I had $16.10 with tax they cost, and I had $16 for the coupons. And rebates only 10 cents for those. All right, Florastor. Oh man, I got lucky on this one. So this is a Florastor Select. So check this out because I found these on clearance. Regular price is $25.99, and they were on clearance for $9.99. And then from today's Smart Source, there's where it was, but there's an $8 off coupon. So that made it down to $1.99. And then or there is a coupons.com rebate for $8 off. So yeah, if you combine both of them, I think the regular price is $19.99 for the regular Florastor, and it's on sale for $16.99. So if you're able to use both of the coupons.com app and the coupon right there from the Smart Source, it'd make it only 99 cents. So I guess it's kind of depending on how much stuff you get, if you want to throw that on there. But for me, since these were on clearance, it made it even a better deal, and it was a $6.01 overage. All right, what else we got? Morningstar. So this is a good deal here. So the Morningstar Farms. These are the breakfast items. I wanted to get more of the sausage. They were out, so I had to settle for the bacon strips, which are not very tasty, but the sausage is good. So they were just regular price, $5.15. So as you can see, I bought 4 of them, and I paid the regular price, $20.60, and paid the regular price, $20.60. And from our extra savings, we got a buy one get one free coupon. I love those. So this is a buy one get one free coupon from the same extra savings book. It does say $4.79, and yes, it only takes off $4.79, not the full $5.15, which is kind of a bummer because that's false advertising. But hey, I did so good, I don't really care. And then I got the link to print this below. That's from the Kellogg's Family Rewards site. You can get $1 off. There is a limit of 4, so if you're able to print 4 of them, and you can buy 4 of them. And then we've got Ibotta has $1.25 off these breakfast items. So limit of 5, I got 4, as you can see, utilizing that BOGO coupon there. So $20.60 spent for those, $4 from the $1 off manufacturer coupons, but 4 of them. Let's see what else we got. 2 of these coupons took $9.58 off, and $5 from the $1.25 off Ibotta rebates, making these guys only $2.02 total. And then I had a Nick's Keto bar just on my Publix digital account. I wanted to use that before it went away, so that was a free one. All right, so once again, got you some more deals this week. Please check out my other video right there on the deals I did earlier in the week, because you can still do some of those. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Once again, everybody enjoy their couponing.